Guys, in this video, we're going to discuss pricing strategies, how we're going to have high prices and always get paid that price. My favorite one's at the end, so make sure you watch to the end. And now you can implement these alongside your existing packages for senior photography. These strategies are designed to increase your revenue, give clients more flexible options, and incentivize them to book higher price sessions. By having a 3-package option, you normally get people to pick in the middle. That's the beauty of this. As you can see here, pricing strategy 1, this is the value tiered add-ons bundle strategy. This strategy focuses on offering clients a base package and allowing them to add extra features at an additional cost. It caters to clients who want to customize their experience while incentivizing them to add more services, increasing your overall revenue. Example. Package 1 is $399. It's 1 hour, 1 location, 10 edited photos, and a print release. Normally, it also includes the photographer as the one who took the photo. You guys can make your own print releases. You can look up standard print releases on ChatGPT or the internet and customize your own. Additional location, $150. Extra outfit change, $50. Up to 3 additional changes. Professional makeup and hair, you'd have to partner with local artists for that upsell. Rush editing, 48 hours. And that's an extra 150. Additional edited photos, 10 plus, 100. Custom gallery, unless that was already talked about. Album, 10-page custom design, 250. Video slideshow with music, 200. Perceived control, clients love the flexibility to pick and choose what they need, and the customization and upsells. Starting with a lower base price, but offering valuable upsells can push clients to spend more. My clients who own companies give us photography recommendations, and every single one of their recommendations are close to that $1,000 price, and if not more, and then they always like to customize. The one I like for people that I know that are cold leads to run with ads. Package strategy 2, tiered discounts for early booking or full payment. This strategy offers financial incentives for clients who either book early or pay the full amount upfront, improving your cash flow and securing more committed bookings. Full session, $589 standard price, early booking, discount, book 3 months in advance and get $50 off. That's why I would never do a percent. Percents are going to gouge your profits, okay? Pay in full discount, pay the full session amount in booking, and get an additional 5% off, final price of 5. Got to keep the percent small, not big, right? And as you can see, the gold session, $750, book 3 months in advance, $35 off, 5% off, $712, okay? Now, and you're going to make $675 on that. All right, so paying full discount would be the $712.50. Premium session, $997, just under $1,000. Early booking discount, book 3 months in advance and get $100 off. Final price, $897. Pay in full discount, pay the full session amount at booking and get 5% off, $947. Always, I like to take half up front. I've took $100 deposit as well. That works great. $100 is good for commitment. And let's see, the $100 deposit is the one I like because it's like easy and it gets people to say yes instead of 50% upfront. All right. And then I always make sure that on day of, they have the check when we first meet. So I say, hey, go ahead and make this check out or pay me that day electronically when we meet up. But right when we meet up is when I'm going to collect payment, and then we'll go about your shoot and then give us this long to finish and process your photos. We have a very intricate photo editing. We use multiple different softwares, and we just ask for a standard 14 business days. And just make sure you let them know you're busy right now. This one up here was cash flow management. Upfront payments or securing bookings far in advance provides you with immediate cash flow right now and reduces the risk of cancellations. Incentive to commit, discounts for early booking, incentive clients to secure their sessions sooner, reducing your need for last minute bookings or panic discounts. Psychological impact, people love getting a deal, and by framing the early booking or full payment discount, it makes clients feel like they're saving money while committing. Now, pricing strategy 3, VIP or membership package. Create a VIP membership that allows clients to access benefits or offer a seasonal membership for families who want multiple sessions over a school year. This strategy promotes repeat business and higher engagement from clients. If people were thinking about buying that, say I need a 72-hour or a 1-week notice prior to an event you want to do to use my service, if it's like they want to do updated photos once a year or whatever, Example VIP membership, senior VIP package, price $1,500, paid once or in 3 installments of $500, 3 photo sessions, fall, winter, spring, during the senior year, priority booking, first choice of dates, up to 5 outfit changes per session, multiple locations per session, 75 edited photos total, 25 per session, custom design yearbook page, online gallery, personalized mobile app with all the photos, Lightroom link, $200 print credit, but for $1,500, I might dial that back to $150. Free rush editing on all sessions. Savings of $150 under that. Seasonal family package. Price $2,000 for a family of 2 seniors or more. You could include senior photo shoot, family reunions. This is what the family package covers. All right, and then you could add in there if you want fall, winter, and spring. 2 full senior sessions, family portrait session included, print release for both seniors, $300 total print credit, $150 per senior. Exclusive album design option for an additional $250. Bonus mini holiday session included in December. Whatever holiday they want. Their choice. Why it works? Building loyalty, offering a membership creates repeat clients, giving you stable and predictable revenue over the year. Now, added value. By bundling multiple sessions and exclusive benefits such as custom design yearbooks or rush editing, you create a package that seems much more valuable than if the services were purchased separately. Now, exclusively feel a VIP membership feels luxurious, adding a sense of exclusivity and urgency to commit. Now, guys, this works amazing. And it also works for creative photography, as you want to put like types of photography accepted under this: family, creative, family reunion, family events, and then how to book that with you. Okay. This is going to be a very personal. The people might even call you one-on-one to set that up with you. But this is a great way to get thousands of dollars quick and to start making more money, because, well, everything I've seen online, nobody sells like this. So I had to get creative. All right. Summary of pricing strategies. Now, just to remind before we get into that, these are going to be a seasonal family VIP package that doesn't have to be senior. It could just say VIP photography package. This could be like for models, rappers. This could be like people that just, they're doing a lot throughout the year. Hey, book us. We'll come out. You're going to make a lot of music videos this year. Hey, let's document it. Hey, you're going to do a lot of really cool jobs and kitchen remodels this year. Adding thousands quickly, especially if you're in the right conversation with business owners as well. Hey, you're going to do a lot. Hey, this is the VIP employee photo. So when you get new employees or when you get everybody together, make a date, right? Summary of the pricing strategies. We did that. Okay, now back to this one. Package 1 gold session. Price $589, 1 to 2 hours of shooting, 1 location, 3 outfit changes, 20 edited photos. Print release. Package 1 is not the one that's going to sell the most. You're going to sell the most out of the middle one here. In any of these packages, honestly, in any 3-tier packages, the middle is going to be the most sought after one. Package 2 is the gold standard session. $750, 2 hours of shooting, 2 locations. Now this one should be 1 to 1.5, because I want you guys to have the correct up to date. We'll just say that's what works, because it's not 2 hours. I realized this one was 2 hours of shooting. Okay, package 2, $750, 2 hours of shooting, 2 locations up, and you could say within 30 minutes. Most of the time people are pretty polite about the locations. 2 locations, up to 4 outfit changes, 35 edited photos, $50 print credit, and a print release. And then, of course, online gallery. Or the online gallery could be introduced at this price level, and you could take it off up here. Guys, I'm telling you, the way I customize these, this one works the best for people that are running off my ads in the past, and then the ones that I've done for other photographers. When you book with the booking link, you're going to get most people in the middle, but when you book them, it's a video call. And then you give them this, unless this is on your website. Okay. And also having this on your website, especially if you're going to list your prices, then tell ChatGPT to look for local photographers that post their package prices. And you want to make sure you're the most expensive. So if theirs is $750, yours is now $850 or $900. Okay, good rule of thumb, always be $100 to $200 more. Package 3, premium session, $997, 3 to 5 hours of shooting, multiple locations. I would put a number on this, like 4 to 6. You would go, and then like within certain mile or whatever, if you got a stipulation on that, up to 5 outfit changes, 50 edited photos, $100 print credit, print release, online gallery. So what's different? The amount of photos you get, right? And then you could say social media edits, right? 50 edited photos, 10 social media ready photos. Okay. And then you can explain to them like these are branded or these are in like special templates with their photos. And basically that's everything I go to show you. So if you're just watching this and you didn't go through all my workflow videos, boo, shame on you. Once we get to the workflow videos, they are going to show you in some of them how I take some of my favorite images and then I recreate for social media as well. Okay. You could say always in here, that's not the final price. You could say plus tax. Don't confuse it. When you give them that final, you could add your state tax or wherever you're located. This one does sell the most, and it does sell the most off ads, cold traffic. It does work in email campaigns. It does sell the most at $750 right now, currently at the end of 2024 at this price. So obviously, if you're seeing this and I've updated this course, price would just reflect a little bit. It would go up a little bit, not much. I like to always raise my prices a little bit every year because I'm smart and I don't want to make less money due to inflation or anything else going on. So keep that in mind as well. Good business tip there. This will be located in your downloads. Don't forget to grab this when you're building out your pricing and packages. This is all built off experience of what I know and what sells the fastest and for you to make thousands of dollars right now.